Ever wonder if your Walmart Plus membership could unlock some tasty savings at Burger King? Let's find out if this loyalty program extends to your favorite burger joint. So, you're a Walmart Plus member, enjoying those free deliveries and fuel discounts. The natural question arises, can these perks, like special offers or discounts, be used at places like Burger King? We're going to dive deep into how these two services interact, or more importantly, if they interact at all. The core of this investigation is to see if there's a direct integration. Does scanning your Walmart Plus card or using your membership information within the Burger King app or at the counter actually trigger any benefits? Typically, loyalty programs like Walmart Plus are designed to work within their own ecosystem or with specific announced partners. Will be looking for any official announcements or listed benefits that include fast food chains like Burger King. This means checking the Walmart Plus app, the Walmart Plus website, and of course, any terms and conditions that might apply to your membership. Are there any specific deals or discounts that are advertised for dining out? Following that, we'll simulate a visit or a hypothetical order to see if any Walmart Plus benefits are recognized. This could involve checking if credit earned through Walmart Plus can be spent, or if any of the member-exclusive offers are applicable. And the reality is, most of the time, these sorts of cross-platform benefits aren't directly integrated. Unless explicitly stated, you won't find a redeem Walmart Plus points at Burger King option. Burger King, like most fast food chains, has its own robust loyalty and rewards program within its app. This is where you'll find the most value for Burger King specific promotions and discounts. So, to answer the burning question, can you use Walmart Plus at Burger King for discounts or special offers? In short, no. There's no direct integration that allows you to leverage your Walmart Plus membership benefits at Burger King. While it would be fantastic to extend those savings, for now, your Walmart Plus benefits are best enjoyed for their intended purposes at Walmart and with their designated partners. Keep exploring those apps for the best deals.